Dr. Bailey, you have an emergent
He
situation?
says he wants a male doctor.
I'm going to palpate your abdomen.
No. I want a different doctor. I'll wait for a different doctor.
You mean you want a white doctor?
The man was racist against black people, but the hospital had just dealt with a major car accident, and they were short-staffed, with no other option. Bailey brought in Dr. Yang, but Yang was unwilling. She wanted a reasonable explanation.
You're not black, but you're not white either. Dr. Yang will be examining you.
Come on. Are you kidding?
Okay, you have medical training. How long do you think you have to live if you have internal injuries? Dr. Yang, give him the best medical treatment possible.
When Yang lifted the man's shirt, she discovered he was a Nazi. Her stepfather had died at the hands of Nazis. So after finding that the man only had a ruptured liver, Yang said she wanted to return to her own duties because she had her own patients. But Bailey refused.
You and I will do this. We will do this, and we will consider ourselves having risen above. We'll rise above.
However, the man still refused to let Bailey operate, especially without a white doctor present. He was afraid something would go wrong. Bailey was rising in her career and did not want any risk, so she brought in another white doctor.
Can I have him or not?
Yeah, O'Malley, go with Dr. Bailey.
Yes, sir.
Get him to sign the consent, then have him anesthetized and ready.
Dr. Bailey, you're well within your rights to pass this on to somebody else.
Well, that would make me like him.
After the surgery, Bailey said her husband needed her and asked Yang to handle the man's post-op check. Before Yang could refuse, the patient suddenly took a turn for the worse. She had no choice but to return to the operating room. Meanwhile, Yang's own patient ran into trouble.
Dr. Yang, your intern called a code blue on a patient who apparently is not code blue.
What do you mean? Why would you call a code if...
Go find out.
Well, I thought you needed me here. You said you needed me here, and that's why you pulled me off of cardio.
No, I'm fine. Go kick some intern butt.
When Yang returned to the ward, she found that although the bleeding had stopped, the patient's consciousness was fading. The patient was rushed into emergency. At the same time, Bailey's surgery went smoothly, but Yang's patient never made it off the table. Yang was furious at Bailey's decision. She went to confront Bailey and told her,
You were busy rising above, but so was I, which is why I haven't said anything. But now the day is over, and I'm done.
Excuse me?
You know, what you did, pulling me off upon surgery, was an abuse of power. You needed help? Okay. But you used me. Because the color of my skin? You compromised the quality of my education? Because of my color? I resent it.